Well, it's not the weapon we are talking about, it's the method. It's basically, if I would ask you a question, why is it wrong to extrajudicially kill someone? Because when we talk about drone strikes, and especially in terms of Pakistan or Yemen, outside the war zones, then it's problematic because it's not under any legal justification that drone strikes are legal or proper, and it's simply extrajudicial killing, so that's why it's problematic. And I'm not against the technology or drones or use of drones as even as a weapon, but the problem right now is that you do not have any sort of international convention or rules or regulation which can control drones. So one powerful country can be carrying out extrajudicial killings in another country without any checks and balance, and this is setting bad precedent. So that part of drones is wrong, but whatever good purpose drone or any other technology can serve, it's fine. A Peshawar High Court decision is the first decision anywhere in the world on drones where actually the High Court is declaring use of drones illegal, and it has set some things, few things. It has made few things very clear. So first of all, this illusion that drone strikes might be or could be legal in Pakistan has been dispelled by the court decision because they have categorically declared them to be illegal. Violation of Pakistan's sovereignty, violation of international laws, and an act of war by US on Pakistan. And above all, because of high civilian casualty, war crimes. So that's why it is important. And also it's the recognition for civilian victims who have been approaching the courts for the last 3 years. So this is first victory that they have been recognized as civilian victims. I think there's definitely a need for international treaty or new regime where the use of drones can be controlled, because just to give you an example, there's a US drone which was taken down by Iran a couple of years ago, and they said publicly they're involved in reverse technology. So it's just a matter of few years that Iran would have drone strike or drone capability, and so does China. In Pakistan, Pakistan is building one with China. India is already building one. Israel has it. So there's so many countries who have drones already, and some of these countries are in conflict with each other. So you have this weapon out there which is easy to use in a sense that you're not putting your boots on ground, so you're not endangering the pilot or your own soldier, but you can be infiltrating into another country. So if there is no regime or treaty or mechanism to control use of drones, it's something which is extremely dangerous and it's just out there. And worst of all is that US has set precedent for use of drones outside the territory of war zones. Noor Khan's case in UK is primarily asking question from the British government and specifically GCHQ, is that if UK is providing any intelligence for drone operations in Pakistan, because Noor Khan is a civilian victim who has lost his father along with 40 other of his tribesmen. And there was a UK minister on record saying that UK does provide intelligence. But when we posed this question for under Freedom of Information Act in UK from the GCHQ, that if they could provide us details of what sort of communication or intelligence they are providing, because here's a case where clearly all civilians have been killed. So if UK was involved in provision of any such information, which the government declined to give, and now the case is basically challenging government action. It's a judicial review of their action that they are not going to provide information of how and what they are cooperating with America, which is actually ending up in killing of civilians.